So you want to know how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance? Well, I have the solution for you. Don't worry, I will teach you, I will help you. The first thing you have to do is go here to deposit. So you click deposit. Then you have to search for USDT coin. So remember, you have to have an Binance verified account. So do that first. Then you have to choose, well, the USDT. Click it, and then here you have to look for Toncoin network. Don't use Ethereum, don't use BNB Smart Chain, use Toncoin, okay? So press here, then you have to go to Tonkeeper and you have to press send here. You have to make sure that here you have USDT, so you press the USDT here, make an example that I'm choosing USDT, and press send. Excellent. So here in recipient address you have to put your address here. So you paste it and you have to copy the memo, copy it, and then you paste it in the comments. So when you press continue, here you have to select the crypto. In this case, you will have selected USDT. So imagine that I'm sending 3 USDT. Then you press continue. In a few minutes, here will appear your USDT. So if this video was useful for you, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you in the next Easy Way video. Goodbye.